welcome back. And I'm super excited because finally the spring is coming, and today was like kind of 15 degrees, and I was really thinking about what I'm gonna do as soon as I can, as soon as possible, and I cannot wait to start my Mazda Miata project. If you remember, guys, I mentioned already that I have big plans with my baby, and I would like to really change the body. I would like to drop the car. I would like to have different type of stickers on it. I would like to have a lot of things, and I already started to do few proposals only on computer in Photoshop, just to have a kind of vision what my plans are with the car. So I would like to show to you my first proposals, and I hope you will like it. So I will go for it immediately. So as you can see, here is my original car, how it is, the wheels what I have, the body. So my first plan was to see how the car is gonna look like if I'm gonna drop it. My plan is to drop the car a little bit, approximately with 20 millimeters. So as you can see, bam. So this is my plan. That would be the first step. I already checked few suspensions. They're not that expensive, and this is going to be a big deal for the car to really just lower it down. I will also show to you later what's going on about this suspension story. If you've seen my video about Mazda Museum, I saw a super cool rally car there. This is a very cool rally edition, which is super inspiring. I also have my own plans with my own baby to a little bit pimp it up. So next year I would do some changes on my own car, and this car was very much inspired me. And that was such an inspiration for me. It was a red car, the first generation, and I just thought I want these lights in the front because it just looks so awesome. I will show the car from the front view that you understand what I was planning to do, because I really love these round official rally lights. And of course I have to find out how it's street legal in Germany, but this is the plan because I think it looks so cool. The next important plan for me, of course, the wheels. So I selected already few wheels what I really liked. They are basically rally wheels which are fit on my car, especially on this NC Miata what I have. And I just really got a kind of brainstorming. At the moment I just went online and went to eBay, and I found different home pages where I can find wheels, and I just would like to have really the directions what I wanted to have. I mean, I have a few favorites. I really would go for something very simple, something very brushed look, and of course like different colors. I don't know yet, you know, it's really just too, I think it's a little bit too much, but what we see what we're gonna get in the end. And this is the gold one, so I was also thinking a little bit play with the colors, so we see how it's gonna go. Yeah, there's the different prices. My favorites were like around 300 euro each, so this won't be that cheap, but I'm still just going on, and the first I just want to find really the direction how it's gonna look like. And now I'm gonna put the stickers on the car, and I haven't even talked about the stickers. Obviously I was just a little bit playing around with different graphics, how I can put my logo with the Girls Loves Cars, or maybe I can have something with the Instagram sticker. But you know, it's clearly just being creative, letting the fantasy go, how it could work. And I have no idea how much they cost, but I definitely want stickers. So this is the next step that I still have to find out. And I think maybe you find kitschy or too much, but I think they give a car a really nice touch. And yeah, maybe I can put some Hot Wheels logo on it. And you see, I cannot use all the stickers, that's for sure, but for example I have the golden stickers for my golden wheels if I want. A really nice, yeah, I don't know, it's a mojo, and this is cool big stickers. I like them. And of course, I try to find out how my expenses are going to look like and how my budget is looking like. So I wrote down already a few prices and I looked online how much it's gonna cost for me, because in Photoshop looks everything nice, but I have to really go for doing it. Of course, I talked to some mechanics as well, and they also give me some offers of the prices. Yeah, it won't be so cheap. But it's also not so crazy. I went online and I find out also the most important things I wanted to get for the car, and I showed you now. This was my first suspensions, and this is what I found. This is very good for the my generation Mazda, so for the NC, and these are around 700 euros, so 4 of them cost like 700 something euros, so it's gonna look okay. Maybe it's going to be the most important and the most expensive part of the thing. I mean, the whole process. And then roll cage, of course. Bam, this goes there. And I check for front spoilers and back spoilers as well. Like, you know, different ones. There's few options here. Not that expensive, my new front spoilers, and I found a really cool one for my car around 50 euros. It's gonna look okay, but I'm still not satisfied with the spoilers I found, so it's really just also a kind of brainstorming and I see a little bit the budget, how I gonna be at the end of all the costs. And now I would like to ask you guys to pick one of your favorite design or kind of favorite configuration what I was doing, and I would really like to hear your opinion about it. So here is the original car, the original version I have, and this is the E version, this is the B, the C, and the D. Which one is your favorite? Please let me know. Put a comment under the video, and maybe the one which got the most likes, I will go for it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm coming back very soon in the next video. And please follow me on Instagram and Girls Love Cars, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.